Hi, I'm Davini Celebrate, and welcome to Connect In. Each week I'll share with you a variety of ways to use your body so that you can navigate life challenges. And I call that connecting in. There is so much going on in the world that it's really, really easy to get thrown off center, to get thrown off our direction, what we're thinking about, and more importantly, where our heart is guiding us. And so over the next few weeks or next year, however this goes, I want to show you weekly different tools to help you come back inside yourself, to help you connect in to your body. I like to think that our body, it holds the kind of roadmap of who we become. And what I mean by that is, it is by coming back to our body and being led by our intuition, being led by our heart's yes, that we can lovingly be guided to being our best self. And we know what that's like. When we are totally in love with what we're doing and we're excited, things flow, life flows, you're in the groove, right? And then sometimes, you're trying to make something happen and it feels like you're just pushing a boulder up a hill, right? You're not in the flow of your life then. And the key is that when you come back into your body and let your body and your heart guide you, there is ease. And you can navigate life much, much easier. So the first step in connecting into your body is actually setting an intention. And so we're going to take a moment and come inside and really think about, what does it feel like? What would our intention be to live a life where we feel connected? And that's going to be different for each and every one of you. So take a moment and close your eyes. Beautiful. And feel your feet on the ground if you can. And if you can't put your feet on the ground, imagine your feet on the ground. And just allow your breath to kind of allow you to come in, get quiet, and drop in. And dropping in feels like, for me, that somebody grabbed the helium balloon and just brought it lower, so it's not kind of swinging around crazy. Because isn't that what happens in life? Sometimes we just feel like we're doing that. So when we breathe and come in, we kind of get centered. We get solid inside ourselves. And that is a cue, an important cue, that you're connected in with yourself. So take a few breaths, go ahead and just breathe. Invite yourself to land back inside. And invite your twirly mind to come in as well. So part of the power of connecting in is to drop out of your twirly mind and into your body again. And when you do that, you can connect to your heart and to what your heart holds essential. So go ahead and take a couple breaths. Breath into your belly and down to your feet. And as you do so, as you drop from your head to your body to your heart, notice how you feel. Notice how you feel in your body. And everything's okay. So if you feel like you're getting jumpy or impatient, or you feel like you're kind of wrapping up on your couch under a warm comforter, all of it's good. Just take a few breaths and come in. When we are busy in our mind, when we're juggling too many things, or there's a lot of things going on in the news and our lives, and there's all these demands, we energetically start to leave ourselves. And we do that we actually have phrases for that says, I'm beside myself, I don't feel like I'm inside myself. And so this very simple practice of coming back in to your breath, your belly, and your feet helps you come back inside. The other thing that we do a lot is the more you keep doing any kind of practice, the more that you're actually creating a muscle memory. So it's easier and easier for you to come back inside when you have this muscle memory created. Beautiful. And now take a moment and put your hand on your heart. Feel the rising and falling of your chest. Feel the beating of your heart. Breath, belly, feet. And now ask yourself, what intention can I hold today or throughout the week that would help me connect in? That intention could be a word, a phrase, a color. What is the one thing that'll help remind you to come back inside when life gets crazy? Great. Now bring your awareness back to your body and how you feel inside right now. And then go ahead and think of that word, that intention that just came, and tie this feeling into the word. In hopes that this word or phrase or color that comes up will help you realign, will help you connect in. Beautiful. So I invite you to share on the comments below what came up when you connected in with your body today. If you want, you can share your intention. So connecting into your body and sharing your intention is a really beautiful way to stay inside and to navigate your life no matter what comes your way. Great. So I hope that you have a beautiful week, And I will see you next Tuesday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time as well. Thank you.